What's up, guys? This is Jimbo here from the Jimbo Slice YouTube channel. It's been a little while. I've been busy. I got a cool project coming up. Probably late summer, early fall. We'll have it all done and I'll have the video up. I am restoring a dining room, an oak dining room table set. So that's taking a lot of my time. What I got for you today, a few days ago, Lowe's online, they had a one-day deal on a 7 1/4 inch sliding compound miter saw, single bevel, for $79. I paid $84 with tax, shipped to my house. I literally got it the next day. It was awesome. So this is Kobalt. It's a 9 amp. Like I said, it's single bevel. Construction is great. It's mostly metal. I mean, you got plastic motor housing, plastic handle, but this is all metal in here. This is all metal down here. Early impressions, I think it's a great saw. You think 9 amp, you think you're not going to get a whole lot of use out of it, but it's for its size, it's very powerful, pretty powerful saw. Okay. It comes with stock blade, isn't too bad. It's a Kobalt 40 tooth blade. Obviously, I like red blades. Who doesn't? You get a clamp with it here, which is pretty cool. It also has a laser. We're gonna look at the laser a little bit better. So initially, just kind of doing some rough cuts. I kind of liked having the laser. It was pretty cool. You also get the chintzy cheapo dust bag. I look for it to rip in about a week, but overall it's pretty good. Like I said, it's a slider, so it's got for straight chop saw ability. It has a maximum cup capacity of 8 inches. When you start mitering and beveling, you're at 6-inch cup capacity. Now you got to remember 7 1/4, so you can cut 2 by stock, but I wouldn't venture any bigger than that. In terms of crown, I'm going to consult the box. It's saying 3 3/8 inch nested, and also backboard. You can cut a max capacity 2 3/4 inch against the fence, so it's not too bad. You could always bevel it, you know. That's the nice thing about beveling, is it kind of helps you out a little bit in terms of your capacity, and it really enhances what you can cut. Okay. On the front of this saw, this is where it has detents. You got a max capacity of, I don't know, 45 on the detents, a couple degrees past that. So if you go past that, looks like you can go up to about 50 degrees. So that's maybe 45, that's 31 and a half, 22 and a half, 15, 0, 15, 22 and a half, 30, and then 45. So those are your detents. So that's nice. It's kind of like the DeWalt miter saws that I've used, where you undo this lever and then you release this pin here. A lot of them have that. Okay. Bevel is single bevel, 0 to there's no detents or anything on here, 0 to 45. Okay. The bevel lock is back here. When we go around the saw, we'll show you that. So, other than that, it's a great little saw. Max RPM is 5,000, 120 volts, 9 amps. So, other than that, it's a good little saw. I think for the price of it was well worth it. So, let's cut a little. Okay, so again, I know I'm showing you. I know that I'm showing you the stock blade. That's kind of what I wanted to show you. It's a Kobalt 40 tooth. In terms of the carbide on it, it's kind of smaller compared to other saws I've used. So we'll look at the laser too, a little closer. This is 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. not bad. Let's put a little plywood with it. Out of the box, it doesn't make a terrible cut. Okay, so if you needed to make a corner like that, it's not bad. So let's show you a little more of the capacity of it. Okay, like overall, I like this saw. It's a nice little, it's a good addition. I think it'll be a good trim saw. This is some 1x8" material here. Not bad. Okay. Let's go back to the miter. And this is going to be, I'll tell you right now, it's not going to be able to miter this. Okay. So what I do want to show you is, let's go back to 0. So I want to show you guys this laser. So let's get. Okay, so I know it's a little dark, but I want you guys to check this laser out here. As you can see, when it's upright, it is actually a cross. It's crossed. Okay, so up here now I used my speed square. I can tell you right here that it's a little off. It's off by about ½ a degree. Okay. You guys see that? Now it could be the wood, but I don't think so. So I'm going to confirm again. Take my rafter square. So this is true and square. And it is off just a little bit. Okay, so you can see that right there. So now we know that we're off there. Okay, now I don't know how to adjust this, if you can even adjust this. I'm gonna have to look into that. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you that when I pull the saw down, it gets a little more true to the cut. So what I'm testing here, I'm just going to test the position of the blade in reference to the laser. So I'm thinking that the laser is slightly to the right of the See, I don't think this board is true and square. I really don't. Let's try a different. Let's try this side. Even then, it's still off. So, and right there though, it's pretty true. So we're going to cut it, and we're going to see in relation to the laser how accurate this laser really is. So at the tip of the board, I can tell you right now it's already to the right, just by the blade position. Okay. So I cut right through the line, but like I said, just by looking at it and the way the laser is, I'm going to zoom in and show you over here. So here's your laser, okay? So watch when it comes down. See, it's on this side of the blade, okay? So it's not bad. It's not a bad, but you can't, I mean, in this saw, it's not an XPS system. It's not a high level Festool or a Bosch laser. It's just a basic Kobalt laser. It's going to need adjustment, and that's something that I'm going to look into doing, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. So the last thing I'm going to do a blade change. We'll kind of show you. I haven't done it yet, so it's kind of as we go, figure it out. Alright, so I had to consult with the instructions on this one. I could not get, blade didn't want to go anywhere when I started to loosen, so it advises you undo this top screw here. Okay, I could feel tension release on that. So don't take it all the way off, but just loosen it a little bit. That's pretty loose. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, the arbor lock is it's right back here. Okay. So with my left hand, I'm gonna hold the spindle lock down, and then a clockwise rotation here. Man, that thing is on there good, guys. It is on there too. Alright guys, so I've been fighting this thing, and Kobalt has this thing on here so tight. My only option at this point is to take my impact and undo it that way. So I can't believe they put it on that tight. Now the thing about this, you got to remember, it's backwards to it's backwards because it's got to be counter the rotation of the blade. So instead of being a righty tighty lefty loosey, it's backwards. So that's the blade it ships with, 40 tooth, 0.098 kerf. It's not a terrible blade, but you can see the carbide on it is rather small. So this is going on backwards, essentially. This will go on here. So that's it, guys. That is the 9 amp Kobalt sliding single bevel miter saw. Do the walk around. Here's your release, your miter. Okay, laser switch. Okay, the laser also, I forgot to mention, operates on 2 batteries right in here. Kind of weird. It's the arbor lock here. Alright. Here's your bevel adjustment lock. This is your sliding lock. Okay. And then back here, this is for your depth stop if you want to cut grooves. Okay, cut grooves. And then this is where your clamp goes. So it can also be bolted to a work surface. So that's it, guys. This is the 9 amp Kobalt sliding miter saw. Box says 3-year warranty. I don't know if that's a model number or part number, but I'll put a model number up there for you. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching with me. Sorry for the struggle with the blade change, but you know, one thing I like to notice is how it is, you know, coming out of the factory. So hope you got an impact ready to get that blade off. So thanks for watching with me, guys.